Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Google Fonts. In this tutorial, I will show you how the store owner can apply Google Fonts on different elements of the front office and improve the appearance of his website. Let's see how this extension works, and for that, I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's start with module configuration first. Here, admin needs to specify the Google Web Font key to integrate Google Fonts to the PrestaShop store. After saving the configuration, a list of all Google Fonts will display in the drop-down list under Front Office and Back Office settings. If admin has not generated the Google Web Font key and saved here, then the Google Fonts will not be visible in the drop-down list, and admin can apply a custom Google font to the specific element or tag. Let's see the process of getting the Google Web Font key. To obtain the Google Web Font key, go to this URL. Now click on identifying your application to Google. Then click here to create a project. When you click on Get a Key button, a pop-up form appears. In the pop-up form, admin needs to enter the project name. After specifying the project name, click on Next. On clicking the Next button, admin will find the Google Web Font key. Admin needs to specify this key here to integrate the PrestaShop store with Google Fonts. Now let's discuss front office settings. Here, admin can select Google Fonts for different elements of front office. Admin can choose to apply a single font on the whole PrestaShop site or select separate fonts for different elements like heading, paragraph, anchor tag, button and footer. Also, admin can select a custom Google font for the whole shop or different elements in case he has not created the Google Web Font key. Here we can see Aclonica font has been applied to the whole front office. Now let's apply different Google fonts to the different elements. Here we can see that Roboto has been applied to the heading and button, Mojave to the paragraph and Mokai Popman to the anchor tags. Now let's discuss back office settings. Under back office settings, admin can select Google Fonts for different tags in the back office, admin can choose to apply a single font on the whole back office or select separate fonts for different elements like page title, label, menu, or button. Also, admin can select a custom Google font for the whole shop or different tags. Here we can see that Aclonica has been applied to the whole back office. Now let's apply separate Google fonts for different tags. Here we can see that Mokai Pop P1 has been applied to the page title, Roboto to the menu, Ubuntu to label, and Poppins to the button.